Welcome folks, this is Jason Burr with NCW Risk Management. We're here for another installment of Agent 88 where we educate, advise, and dispel myths about insurance 88 seconds at a time. Today we're going to be talking about full coverage car insurance, what most people think it means and what it actually means. Let's get started. In my 15 years in the insurance industry, I don't know if I've heard a more misunderstood term than full coverage on a car insurance policy. Full coverage is a very misleading term, and a responsible insurance agent wouldn't use it. To most people, it would lead them to think they are covered for anything that can happen involving their car, and there's nothing further from the truth. I don't like vague terms when it comes to insurance, and there's not a more vague phrase than full coverage. And nowhere in an insurance policy will you find those terms. I am not sure who coined the term, but over the years, full coverage in the car insurance industry has come to mean coverage for damage to your vehicle only. It doesn't pertain to damage to other people or their property in the event you cause an accident. It doesn't provide a rent car to substitute your vehicle if it's in the shop, and it doesn't provide OEM parts to repair your car after a wreck. Those coverages are provided by separate endorsements. You can find out more about those coverages up here. So, what does it cover? For the rest of the video, I'll be using the terms collision and comprehensive instead of full coverage. These words are the actual language used in a policy and are easier to define. The collision section of your car insurance policy provides coverage for damage to your vehicle caused when you collide with something. If you rear end someone, collision is what pays to fix your car. The only time collision is not the coverage used when you collide with something is in the case of you hitting an animal. This brings up comprehensive coverage. If you hit a deer in the road, your collision coverage is not involved. Your comprehensive coverage is involved. Comprehensive is also what's involved to pay for repairs to your car for things like fire, flood, hail, and theft. Collision and comprehensive coverages have deductibles associated with them. Most of the time, I recommend at least a $500 deductible. If you have more than one car with comprehensive and collision coverage, you should explore raising that deductible to $1,000. Look at the cost savings by raising your deductible and see if it makes sense for you. I hope that you now have a better understanding of the term full coverage and what you and your agent should not be using that phrase. If NCW is not your agent, we'd love to be. Give us a call. If you found this video informative, hit that thumbs up. You can also subscribe below for more videos educating and advising you about insurance. I'm Jason Burr with NCW Risk Management. We'll see you next time.